before we start our journey within the Magic Box, I'd like you to tell me something interesting about yourself, or maybe something that not many people know about you.
So something that shocks everyone is that I have 8 siblings.
Big family.
And I'm adopted, so we're all adopted into different households, but we meet up at least once a year.
Oh my God, that's so interesting. Oh wow. So you were born for the same mom and dad, but after you being adopted from different families.
Yeah. I Kilimanjaro at the age of 14. At the age of 13, I climbed Kilimanjaro with World Challenge. There's 2 interesting things about me.
Oh wow. And you are the youngest, the oldest, in the middle?
I'm the youngest, but the tallest.
That's great. Oh my God, that's amazing. And you meet, you have this monthly meet, you meet all together for